Good morning, students. Let's do chapter 8 of civics. Chapter 8 of civics is your rural livelihood. So I hope you know the meaning of rural. Rural means village. Livelihood means what are the occupation they do to earn their living, or what are the work or jobs they do to earn money. Okay, how they look after their lives. So we know there, if you will look at the book, open your book, you have a story in the beginning of a boy named Deepak. Okay, and the story, Deepak is an 8-year boy who is living in Calcutta with his father. They are transferred there and they are going to Punjab to visit their uncle's house. The first time he is going to village and he's so excited to see village. So he goes by train, gets down there and he sees rickshaw fellow or truck and trolley and buffaloes and cow, milking of cow, okay, and so many people sitting idle there playing cards. He comes to know that people are sitting free because it is not a cropping season. People get job work only during cropping season or sowing season. So this is a story narration given about a boy who is excited to see the village life. Okay. So now what is being said here, the main occupation of the people of the village is, the people do agriculture, they do fish, they look after the cows and buffaloes, okay, that is herding. Then they also have fishing, they keep fisheries, fish industries there, okay, and then fisheries are there, they have poultry farming. There are small other handicraft and small scale industries also. So this is how they earn their living. But the main occupation of the people in the village is agriculture, farming. Okay, so in farming we have got 4 types of farmers are there. Big farmers, medium farmers, small farmers and landless farmers. Now, big farmers are the farmers, those who have more than 10 hectares of land. Now what is 1 hectare is equal to 1000 meters, 10,000 meters, okay, equal to, now imagine if you have like a 10 football grounds, more than 10 football grounds, okay. So these people who are rich farmers, they have more than 10 hectares of land and all the work in their field is done by the machines. They have their own machines for sowing, for cropping, for putting manure, for putting water. So they have got different machines are there to work, okay. Combine, harvester, threshing machine, sprinkler to put water, and they can also employ even many people as they have lots. They need those machines needs assistant of the people, okay. So machines will not work, they need some people also to run those machines. So they employ a lot of people also in farming activities, and they normally have their own tube wells. They don't have to depend on the monsoon. Oh, it will rain, then only they will get water in their crop. So the big farmers are the farmers, those who have their, everything is available for them. They have water supply, they have good quality of seed, fertilizers, manure, they have good supply of the workers, okay, manual workers, machines, everything is available. And because they are using good fertilizers, good seeds, supply of water, so they have production also so much. They get a lot of crop, okay, अच्छी फसल होती है, and that much is not required for their family. So the surplus, whatever remains after using at home, they go and sell in the market, okay, they go and sell in the market. So whatever remains, they go and sell in the market, so they get plenty of money also. And then that money they use again for the next cropping season, for good seed and good supply of fertilizers, alright. And for their comfortable life and luxurious life, whatever they want to buy, okay. Then next we have got medium farmers. These farmers are the farmers who have 2 to 10 hectares of land. They have more than 10, okay, more than 10 they have, okay, and they have 2 to 10 hectares of They may not have their own machines, but they hire. Okay, the threshing machine or the combine, the harvester, they hire to plow their field or do the cropping or whatever is required in the field. Okay, so they get enough produce from the field, and what they do, they also, after keeping the food for themselves or the crop, they sell in the market. They do not earn much like as the rich farmers, but they have the surplus so much that they can live a comfortable life and they can manage their work without taking much loan. So these are the medium farmers, those who have 2 to 10 hectares of land. They also use machines and all. They hire the machines, bring on kiraye pe leke aate machines and all. And what they do, these people also live a comfortable life of surplus, whatever money, whatever food remains after using for the whole year, whatever required, they keep, rest they sell in the market. And this is how they also earn money for the comfortable living. Okay, but they get comparatively lesser than the rich farmers. Next we have small farmers. Small farmers are the farmers who have less than 2 hectares. Less than 2 hectares of land. Okay, and they do not have much resources and have to depend more on monsoon. They wait for the rain to come. That's how they will supply the water for the crop. And they mostly use old method of agriculture. They do not use much machines. Every member of the family goes to work in the field because the field is also small and they don't have much money and machines to work. So all the members of the family goes to work in the field for cropping season, for sowing season, for weeding, maybe घास फूस निकालना है, काटना है, बीज बोना है, सारे लोग जाते हैं परिवार के. Okay. And the land is so small that the crop they get is not enough to sustain. So there are only 2 hectares, less than 2 hectares of crop land will not have sufficient crop to look after the family needs, because they have to not only eat, they have to pay fees, medicines they have to buy, whole year's program they have to see. So that is not sufficient for the family to manage. Okay. So sometimes they also have to take loans. Loan they take from the rich farmers so that they can buy good seeds and fertilizers, supply of water, and they may not have their own tube wells and they may be forced to depend on monsoon. If monsoon fails, they are unable to get good crop. Okay, and some of these farmers add their income by maintaining animals and poultry. So some farmers, they not only do agriculture, what they do with the doing farming work, they also keep some animals so that they can earn little more, and also they keep poultry, like the hens, so that they can have eggs they can supply in the market and the meat of those or chicken. Okay, these occupations do not take much space but are well paying throughout this. So you don't need much space for poultry farming or keeping the animals like cows and buffaloes, but it helps them in the family for their whole year, how they have to look after for their livelihood. Alright, so this is about small farmers, less than 2 hectares of land they have. Alright, and they do not have their wells, they depend on monsoon. Also, all the people of the families go to work in the field, as they do not have much machines and all, and farm is small. And sometimes they also need to take loan, okay, because they do not have sufficient money for buying seeds and fertilizers. And because this is not sufficient to look after the family on the field, they also keep the animals like cows and buffaloes for milk, okay, to sell the milk, or also they have poultry to get help from that to look after their family and have much more money. Then we have next is the landless farmers. The farmers, those who have no land at all, they go and work in others' field. Okay, they get paid for the number of days they work. They get very less money. Okay, daily wages they get. If they get today, they get today's money only. They will not get of Sunday or any other day if they do not go. Normally the big and medium farmers hire them to work in their field. They get paid very little money they will be getting. Sometimes whole day they have to work and they get very less money. Sometimes they don't take money, they tell give us grain. Or sometimes the person who has hired them to work in the field, they don't give them money, they tell them that we will give you the grain, हम आपको गेहूं देंगे एक बोरी या something like that they promise. So they get paid very little, sometimes with the grains and other crop output instead of money. And the employment is seasonal. They are not going to get work throughout the year, only when there is cropping season. जब फसल कटती है तभी उनको काम मिलता है, otherwise they are free throughout the year. Only during the cropping season they get work, these landless farmers. Okay, therefore they remain poor, and for a large part of the year they do not have employment. So they remain poor because they are getting very less money and they are not getting job every day. They are only some part of the year they get work. This forces them to borrow money, and for other rest of the months what they have to do, they look after their needs by taking money from others, by borrowing money from others. And they say that they will repay after the next cropping season, but sometimes they are unable to do so, and this makes them very poor and have to live a difficult life. So they borrow from money from people and do needful things at home, and sometimes they don't get work because the crops fail, so they are unable to pay the debts. Okay, so वो उधार नहीं दे पाते हैं. So many of these farmers have started looking for other works. So they leave nowadays. Many farmers are going in cities, working as on constructions as laborers. Okay, picking the bricks and cement and all that you must have seen all around you. Okay, so type of work they are increasing now. They need work every day to look after their family. Okay, so in cities this type of work is available, building of roads, building. So they get job every day, they get their money, but not much, which is only helpful for them to get their daily survival. Alright, so this is about the landless farmer. So we have landless farmers, the farmers those who not have land at all. They work in others' fields, that also not always, only some part of the year when there is a cropping season is there. Okay, and rest of the time they are free, so they remain. All other months they need to fulfill their needs, so they borrow money, hoping that next time when they get money they will pay. Sometimes the crop fail and they are unable to pay, and that's how they remain poor. Many of the people are leaving the villages and have shifted to cities, work as on construction as laborers. Okay, so this is about the 4 types of farmers we have in agriculture in rural areas. Read these again about big farmers, medium farmers, small and landless farmer. And if you have any doubt and problem regarding it, we will meet in the next live class. You can ask me there. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. Study well.